ụmụnne m ọkụ na were n'ahịa na ụmụ Biafra wo Biafra Liberation Army anyị na-ezu ohi anyị na-eme kidnapper ihe niile wo ihe ụmụnne anyị na-alụrụ ọgụ Jato the Yahoo wo one of Okigwe the akwa ha na-alụ ọgụ na-eprotect ụmụnne ya ọ bịaghị imegbu ndị Nigeria terrorist ndị Amazon abịala n'ime akụ gbachara ilo niile nọ n'akụ ọkụ bọtụ ọ na-agbanye anya mmiri anụ m na Okigwe gbakara aka ma ndị politician gbakara aka nye poison nke ha nọ meeting the whole commanders of Biafra Liberation Army ọdịmama ndị Biafra ndị Igbo unu enye ha poison kemgbe ahụ anụghị m olu ya enwebeghị onye ọbụla n'ụlọ olu ya enwebeghị onye ọbụla ahụ ya anya ebe ọbụla ọnụ ma ọ dị ndụ ma ọ nwụrụ anwụ anyị ma mgbatụ anyị na-ayọ Chukwu Okabịa ma na ebe ọbụla ha nọ Chukwu Okabịa ma ga-agba ha ume
Nigerian zoo ihere emegbukwa unu ihere emegbu unu ihere ewu nke unu look at hụ na ụmụ ị na-enye fake news hụ na-eme hụ na na-eme mpoko na unu mere ihe unu na-eme mpokoro hụ na eme lepụla dịka stori unu kọwa hụ na ọ na-eme unu ewere ya na-emegharị unu emevochala onwe unu okwukwukwu unu emevochala onwe unu Nigeria zoo Nigeria ọragbuola unu.
Please, if you are visiting my YouTube channel for the first time, subscribe with us and turn on your notification button. Hello Biafrans, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone from wherever you are watching us from. Welcome to Magnetic Dix TV. Today being 21st of September 2025, we are bringing this news live and direct to you. This is still on Gentle the Yahoo and J-Makeup and some other Biafran Liberation boys that we are claimed that they were pied. So if you watch this video to the end of this video, you will be able to understand or to know the actual truth. If Gentle the Yahoo has been pied, or if he is still alive, if NJ Makeup has been pied, or if they are still alive, because the Biafra Liberation Army guys who managed to come up on social media are debunking the news. They are saying that such thing never happened. According to them, the only thing they believe and they say that they know that Gentle Yahoo was poisoned, and more with other commanders that they were poisoned. But on the aspect of buying, nobody buys Gentle Yahoo or NJ Makeup. That all of them are still alive, just that they are now unlucky. So, but the fact here is that irrespective of whether Gentle has been buyed or not, the guerrilla warfare is still going on in Imo State, in Biafra land. The men on ground still there, their ground. They still, in fact, they are not shaking at all. If you watch this video very well, you will understand that the men on ground still there, they are not shaking.
Now, I'm a general. Yeah, I'll go back to general. What do you mean? I beg you make kibble. I when ndị ke hụrụ ahụ mkpapụ ga ka ha na-akpapụ Ishwe na ma general ke o gawa ahịa ma trout lee ya anya ọfụma nwere otu onye ga-ahụ ke kwana gawa ụmụ ehiri ebe ke Honorable Chioma Nnaji nwere onye na ya shops niile n'ebe a close onye ihu onye azụ ma ahịa ma everywhere they deserted almost school ogra school also ka onye ọbụla ji onye ọbụla nwere ihe dị ka almost school anywhere nwere ihe dị ka a ga-aga school taa ma wechi nga m kwụ now wo junction ụlọ general lee somebody ya ị ga-ahụ ya ọfụma nwere ihe dị ka skuul asịkwa na skuul asịdị nwere otu onye ị ga-ahụ n'ụzọ n'iru ahịa ma etamchi ete badi ete aka ahịa madi nwere otu onye ị ga-ahụ nwa na onwe m ana m agbakwa n'onwe m ọsọ for safety because mgbọ enwede nwanne. So that is the thing. Umele ebe ka anyị now the in fact ike gwụrụ. Thank you very much. Domoka. Ihe m ji eweta ihe aka ụnụ nweta ebe anyị dị. For now. Otu ruo na mgbede enwere ike ka ma dị people apụta akwa 1122.
Because if you watch very closely, you will understand and you will believe with me that these guys know the fear, that these guys still damning the pursue. We all can remember that. Yes, remember that next month is another court case for Nnamdi Kanu. And you know, whatever they are trying to do is to still look for a way to postpone it or to still keep him there. But the real and the genuine Biafrans are doing everything to make sure that he is being released. Because the release of Nnamdi Kanu is going to let us know the actual people that are for Biafra or against Biafra.
So whatever rumor that is circulating in the net is not true. I'm still in their custody. They have assured me that they will release me subsequently. So anybody who makes any claim that he has helped to release me is not true. The world should know this. Biafran Liberation Army should be supported to help them what they are struggling for Biafran independence. And Biafran independence will help the Igbos. So I wish to tell the world, the Biafran Liberation Army I'm still in their custody, and however they have assured me that they will release me. So anybody who is claiming to have released me, it's not true. I've been in their custody for a period of about 10 days, and no harm was done on me, no ransom was collected from me, and I've not had any story of ransom. It's the release of Nnamdi Kanu in cause of furtherance to the independence of Biafra. That's the major cause. Then locally here, in Okigwe local government, particularly in Ihube, my own village, there is a group of people called black people who have been causing confusion in my village, in Ihube, Okigwe. And the Biafran Liberation Army is requesting that they leave the location where they are in Ihube, Okigwe, so that the Biafran Liberation Army, in fact, when they came first, the first time it started by chasing away the Fulanis that were disturbing my community. In fact, I was disturbing Okigwe local government communities, and they have succeeded. Incidentally, another group of people came and said that I don't know whom they are. We call them black people. They are on the road between Ihube. I think they are located.
Omo Biafra. Omunamo Ndibo. So Helena wo Ndibo wo Biafra. Le Ngozi Ubu. Take am sina ekuku. Kama wo 17th of September 2025. We bought a kama ka tembe mene ano. And I go munye no mene ano. On one year of no mene ano. And they could not any mono mandate Puro Uboche and no. But some Kuba can know her on the reason here. But when you won your Biafra. All of a politician. I'm Umunamo. Him the queer because of the queer told you now. I like Bani Alebani, Biafra Liberation Army. Nine will kidnapper, nine will do him. Nine will terrorist. I won't kidnapper, I won't do him.
Kidnapped.
Now I say,
Okay.
Papa again. Also,
Honorable Ngozi Obuaham
on one year kidnapper, I kidnap a kidnapper.
was not kidnapped.
And when I got again,
Nobody had requested 1 naira from me. Rather, they were feeding me and taking care of me.
As
I'm going now, they had returned all my belongings. My house key, my telephone, the eyedrop I used to use, and
so many people are even claiming, so many social medias are even passing the news that Gentle Yahoo has been buyed. Ikengu, Ragu, Ebekodike, and so many of them, all of them are pronouncing or broadcasting that Gentle has been buyed, that they have been buyed. But nobody or none of them is showing us his video or his picture. Even when where they captured him, nobody at all. So we still remain on the side that Gentle is still alive until proven wrong. Dying, that is when we will now believe that Gentle has been died. But for the fact that there is no video, there is no picture, nothing, Biafrans, we still believe that Gentle Yahoo is held and healthy.
all my belongings have been returned. They didn't take anything from me.
No Biafra. Oh, Biafra Liberation Army. I know Zohi. I know make kidnapper. Helile, Umunay. And I'll rob. Gentle the Yahoo. One of Okigwe. They have her. La long. Now, a protect Umunia. Or down here, Imebu. Ndị Nigeria tourist ndị amị zoom abịala n'ime akụ gbachado ilo mmiri nọ n'akụ ọkụ but ọ na-agbanye anya mmiri anụm na Okigwe anụm na Okigwe but na m ji onye Okigwe Yuba m kwele kwụsị ike so Nigeria tourist ha hapụ akụ community ihe mebise ha dịrala atụzi ndị akụ ha dịrala atụzi ndị ụmụlọọlọ ha dịrala atụzi ndị amosu polisi gbakara aka ma ndị politishan gbakara aka nye poison nke ha nọ meeting the whole commanders of Biafra Liberation Army ọdịmama ndị Biafra ndị Igbo unu enye ha poison kemgbe ahụ anụghị m olu ya enwebeghị onye ọbụla n'ụlọ oli ya enwebeghị onye ọbụla ahụ ya anya ebe ọbụla ọnụ ma ọ dị ndụ ma ọ nwụrụ anwụ anyị ma mgbatụ anyị na-ayọ Chukwu Okike Abịama na ebe ọbụla ha nọ Chukwu Okike Abịama ga-agba ha ume Chukwu Okike Abịama ga-eme ha rịkọva gbachukwu ike anyị na-ererizi nwoke ma n'ụbọchị taa ma ekwe ọrụ ụmụnnu anyị na-ererizi nwanne unu nwoke a na-efu nothing no kobo no 1 naira niile they complete but after ụbọchị nta achọ n'Owerri.
Thank you, Biafrans, for watching this video. Remember to subscribe with us. Please share this video, and let us interact in our comment section. We all love you. Bye.